Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, please click that subscribe button and join the family because we have a lot of fun around here. We talk about skincare, beauty, lifestyle, feminine hygiene, and all that on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to be talking about something. We're going to be talking about this skincare, I'll call it a skincare powerhouse because that is actually what it is. Today we're going to be talking about shea butter, and we all know shea butter. Whether you're in Nigeria, wherever you are, you must have heard about shea butter, and this is actually something that I've been meaning to talk about. I've been meaning to make this video. So today, as you can see, I'm actually sweating. There is so much heat, but I just decided to film this video because I just had to get it out there. So today we are going to be talking about shea butter, and shea butter is an amazing skincare ingredient. This is actually amazing, guys. If you have not gotten on shea butter, you need to actually get on it because shea butter is that thing that has been missing in your skincare. This is actually amazing, guys. This is actually the shea butter that I use. You can use any brand of shea butter. You can actually buy the ones that are unbranded from Amazon. You can go to your supermarket. You can go to your markets and get it. If you're in Nigeria, there's a higher probability of getting raw organic shea butter. But if you're abroad, please be mindful of where you're getting your own shea butter because you don't want to get those processed shea butter. You want to get the one that is unprocessed because the raw unprocessed one is the one that is more beneficial to your your skin and your health. You can actually use this for your hair. This is a hair butter, this is a body butter. This is actually amazing, guys. If you have not gotten on shea butter, you need to get on it. This butter is actually very, very good because it helps with wrinkles. If you're someone that you want to age gracefully, because that is actually the beauty of life, graceful aging. This is actually something that is very, very good when it comes to anti-aging because it contains vitamin E, vitamin A, contains fatty acid, which is very, very good for the skin. This is very, very good when it comes to repairing sunburns. If you have sunburns, guys, you need to start using shea butter. This is amazing because this is going to help fade your sunburns and repair your skin. Shea butter is something that is known as a very, very good repairing agent. This will repair your skin. If you have bleached skin, if you have been bleaching or you use the product that damaged your skin, a lightening product, a bleaching product that damaged your skin or give you any skin irritation, this is very, very good when it comes to skin repair. You need to actually get this and actually use it to repair your skin. If you're someone that you're bleaching and you want to stop bleaching and you want to get your skin back, you need to actually get this because this is actually very, very good when it comes to skin repair. This is also very, very good when it comes to burns. If you have burns, if you're actually doing something and you burn yourself, this is very, very good. Just get a little bit of it and apply it on the area you have burns. That is actually going to help heal it, and when it heals, it is not going to leave a scar. This is very, very good. This is actually very, very good when it comes to you can actually use this on a baby. Just so you know, this is actually very, very mild. You can use it on a baby, you can use it on everybody, adults, babies, and all that. This is actually the one I'm using, which is from Jimpru. This is a brand, Jimpru. If you're in Nigeria, we all know this brand. This is the Jimpru Ori shea butter. The one I actually have is the carrot shea butter, which contains carrot oil, papaya oil, and shea butter. This is amazing, guys. This is actually what it looks like inside. This is actually what it looks like. This is amazing. This is a beautiful butter. When you rub this on your skin, guys, you are going to be shining. And I don't even know why most people are scared of using shea butter. I don't know what the fear is about shea butter. Most time people will be like, oh, I can't use shea butter, it's going to darken me, it's going to do this. Like, guys, I know that when you use oils and butters during the day, because of the sun we have in Nigeria, you're going to tan or you're going to actually darken. Try using this at night. When you're done with your night skincare, use this as your body butter at night. This is going to help repair your skin. Your skin is going to age gracefully. When I knew that this thing actually works was the last time I went to the village. I actually traveled to the village, and my grandma is almost 100, and this is actually what she has been using for like forever. I remember whenever I'm going to the market, she's always like, oh, buy me ori, because we call it ori. We call shea butter ori in Nigeria. And I have always been buying this thing. And the first time I went to actually buy it for her, the lady that sells it is actually an old lady. But when you see this lady's skin, my God, this lady's skin is giving. This lady's skin is amazing, guys. Her skin was shining. She's actually very dark skin, but when you see dark skin that is just shiny, it's just glowy, it's just reflecting light, it's just so nice. She has her body, there's no wrinkles. You can tell that this is an old woman, but this lady was looking really nice. And that is actually the goal, guys. We need to actually use things that are going to help us in the long run. It's not every time you need to be using lightening products, brightening products, bleaching products. Brightening products are good, this is, but at the end of the day, use things that are going to impact and benefit your skin on the long run. Because everything we are doing is so, we are going to age gracefully. So you're going to look back, and actually enjoy your skin, the skin that you have actually worked hard for. Because a lot of all these products we are using are not beneficial to the skin on the long run. You need to actually start using products and ingredients that are going to benefit your skin on the long run. If you're using things that at the end of the day, they're going to now damage your skin, you're not even going to like the skin anymore. What is now the use? What is the benefit of doing that when you can actually use butters and oil, natural butters and oil that you can actually find and use on your skin and have amazing glowy skin over time? People are going to be like, oh, what do you use on your skin? Most people, when the people ask you and say, what do you use? And you say, oh, you use shea butter, they will look at you like, oh, you're lying, or you're trying to deceive them. Or, guys, we are sleeping on shea butter. I'm telling you guys, we are sleeping on shea butter. The last time I went to get shea butter, the one I use for my hair, I was like at the lady's shop, and the lady was like, oh, she was just complaining that they don't even see shea butter to buy, blah 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 blah, because everybody, the people getting the shea butter, the ladies that actually prepare the shea butter are exporting it. And I was really sad, because if you're in Nigeria, you know that people actually don't like to use shea butter on their skin. It's like this thing that people that no, like when you mention shea butter, it's like no 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 no. If they see any skincare product and there's a shea butter, like shea butter written on the ingredients, it's like no. They say, oh, this is for dark skin people. This is what, who actually said that butters are only for dark skin people? Whether you're light skinned, caramel skin, dark skin, whatever skin tone you are, you can actually use shea butter. You can use butters, you can use oils. These are ingredients that actually benefit your skin. This actually benefits your skin over time. When you're actually buying things, think, oh, in 5 years time, in 10 years time, what benefits is this thing going to have on my skin? It's not about, oh, you want to glow now, and then 10 years later you're looking, you're not even looking good anymore after spending all that money. Why not get things that over time is actually going to help improve your skin, make your skin look beautiful? This is actually one of the reasons I love this. After going to the village and actually discovering that this is actually what my grandma used, and actually when I saw the lady that sells the shea butter, I was sold, guys. This is amazing. This is something I've been using. I've been using shea butter for over 2 years. Like, I only use it at night because Nigeria is actually very very hot. So if you rub this during the day, you are going to sweat. So I actually use this at night. I use that at night because it's actually colder at night. If you rub this and you're walking on the road or like during the day, you're actually going to sweat a lot. This is actually very good, guys. You need to get this. But if you know that you don't really like, you can actually get this one that I got. This one contains carrots and also papaya, which is actually very very good. This is actually like added benefit for you. If you can't get the one that is just plain, you can get this one. Just make sure you're getting original, the actual main thing, because a lot of people are selling shea butter that has been mixed with whatever, god knows what. Just make sure you're getting a good one. That is actually why I like to buy from Jimpro. Jimpro is a very very nice trusted brand in Nigeria. But if you cannot get Jimpro from wherever you are, please make sure the one you're getting is actually organic shea butter, because this thing is very very nice. This is very very nice, guys. Some people can actually get away with using shea butter on their skin. I can't get away with using shea butter on my face, I mean, because I am very very acne prone. I have very very oily skin. As you can see, my skin is really really oily. I just took my bath not long ago, and this is actually how my skin is looking now, meaning if I use this is actually going to break me out a lot more. So if you're someone that you have oily acne prone skin, please use this with caution on your face, because it might actually break you out, because of the oil is actually very thick. The butter, I mean, is actually very very thick, so it can actually cause you more breakout. But this is amazing for you guys. This is very very good. Some people with dry skin can actually get away with using this. Some people with normal skin can get away with using shea butter. And if you can actually get away with using shea butter on your face, guys, you have won. If I can actually put it on my face and not break out, I will be using shea butter on my face. You guys, get you some shea butter. Stop letting them export all the good things abroad. Get you some shea butter. This is very very good. There is another one. If you can't get this one, if you're in Nigeria, you can get Antitoke. Antitoke is amazing, guys. Get that one, or you get this one, or you get Any shea butter, just make sure it is actually organic raw shea butter. Do not get the refined ones. Get organic refined shea butter. And at night, you might not do it every day depending on however you feel, but just make sure you incorporate shea butter in your skin. If you have stretch mark, guys, this is actually going to be amazing. See how hard I am. This is actually going to be very, very good when it comes to fading your stretch marks, evening out your skin. If you have damaged skin, guys, this is amazing. You need to actually get this. Like, try, using this for like a year or two consistently, and you're going to love your skin. Your skin is just going to be so nice, so plump and amazing, guys. I don't even want to start like, saying, oh, look at my skin, look at this. Is actually something. There was a time I was not using anything. I wasn't using any lotion. I was actually just using shea butter, a face cream, and my body soap, and I was glowing. Guys, this is very, very good. Stop sleeping on shea butter. Shea butter is not just meant for dark skinned people. Even dark skinned people are running away from shea butter, and I don't even know why. Guys, get you shea butter. Get you shea butter. This thing is very, very nice. This is actually very expensive abroad, but in Nigeria we don't value it. That is one thing. We do not value this stuff in Nigeria. But people abroad, if you see the way people are like so obsessed with shea butter because they understand the benefits of shea butter, but here we look at it like, oh, it's just saying ori, it's just nothing. But please, guys, if you can get this, get it. Or even if you can't get this, try to get products or skincare product that has one of the main ingredients being shea butter, and you're going to love your skin over time. We need to actually use things that will benefit our skin over time, not things that will glow our skin now and then later we are now suffering or trying to fix things, because a lot of skincare that people are using these days for fast results and whatever are going to just give you that fast result, and then they're going to give you another issue, then you're going to buy another product to fix that issue, then that one you bought will give you another issue, and you just keep going. Every time you're trying to fix something, and that's actually how these people actually keep you buying product, because if you don't have these issues, how are you going to buy products? So know that you're going to be buying things that will benefit your skin, and they will not be giving you issues along the way, because a lot of bleaching product, they will bleach you and maybe give you the skin tone that you want, and then they will give you sunburns or give you irritations. Then you need to go and buy another thing that will help clear the sunburns, then that one will clear the sunburns, then give you stretch marks, then you use another thing to clear the stretch mark, then the stretch mark will go and then give you varicose veins, then you use another thing to clear. Is just a whole roller coaster, guys. Please, if you know that you can get shea butter, please get shea butter, and you are going to really, really love it. Like, I didn't intend this video to be this long, but I just had to come here and tell you guys all about this product. So we have come to the end of today's video. Please, 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 guys, subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow, help this channel grow. Please share this to people that is going to be beneficial to them. Please, please, please drop a comment, drop a like. It really, really, really helps my channel, and I will see you in my next video.